Hi guys, today we will talk about how to hide your moments in study on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here, and you just click here on forest permissions, and you come to next window here. In this window, and you just click here on moments, then you come to a next window here and you just click here on head my moments and status. You will click, and here you will find your moments here you had in this window. But if you want to add it, you just click here, and here you can add tags or groups on contacts here you want to hit on your WeChat app. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.